everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be actually buying my new truck. This has been used and I found a pretty good deal on it. I'm going to see if we could actually get it cheaper than what he's asking for it. The truck itself is a 2009 Toyota Tacoma, and it's a mid-sized truck, so I think it'd be perfect for me. It has, sadly, 300,000 miles, but it's a Toyota, and if it's particularly lasts for like 500,000 miles, let's go get the truck. Before we do that, we're gonna have to give away these go-kart bicycles. We're going to give them away. Yeah, sure. You get her on a beard. Going 70 to 35.
One eternity later.
I bought me a new truck. So we finally made it back from getting the truck. I'm going to do a run over with it, but as of right now, it looks amazing. The inside has to be cleaned. It has to be, there's a couple of dents, but show that in the video later on. It's time to cue the montage.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
Look at that interior. Yeah, it's a little dirty.
There's no like really rips in there.
No, there ain't. Two cup holders.
What year is it again?
2009.
And
And
so it's a little bit older.
there's even steps.
That's weird. I've seen that where I've heard that some of them have it in the review.
Yeah, brand new Bluetooth radio. Yeah, stereo system down here. Yeah, it's got Tacoma. That's a Tacoma map. So many buttons around here. That's crazy. It even has a remote for the stereo system that's under the seat. I'm going to pick a better one. Let's pick more of a bass heavy. Okay, so this song is copyrighted. At the beats should feel that. Yeah, there you go. I hear it. Feel it. A nice Toyota manual right here. It's got quite a bit of stuff in there. That's good. This is supposed to be like a remote start, but I can't seem to get it to work. See, that motor sounds really good.
He said it was some paint or something. But
Yeah.
Put this in the jack.
no,
No?
Jack's all inside. It's storage too.
Yeah, it's storage.
$1,500 bills in there, boy.
Yeah, I don't got any money.
It's jacked
Now.
off. We gotta do some cleaning. There's a couple little spots.
Well, shoot, that ain't bad.
No.
He said the woman wanted her belt changed. He said, but it didn't need it, so he left it
Clean
here.
them nice here.
Somebody's changed the brake fluid in it too. Look at how clean that is.
Yeah. It's a V6 engine.
So that's $200 right there. Flushing the
So he's
system.
got a clean in air filter.
Yep.
Yeah, he just cleaned the air filter
All
over there.
that's-
New battery.
Brand new battery.
Clean.
He said he cleaned it. You gotta clean it with soap water so many miles or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, and he said he also changed the oil every 5,000 miles.
That's a life of a car.
I don't know if he's tightened it up
Yeah,
himself or.
that's not bad for the age of it.
No. Now, he said that changing the oil is completely easy or
Yeah.
simple
Yeah.
because that's the air oil filter right there, and then straight down under that, there's the pan where you can change the oil out.
Listen to
You
know.
see
Yeah.
this right here? See that oil drains out of that. Now we don't spill it everywhere.
Yeah.
Yeah, it goes
So that's
goes
good.
down this cup right here.
Yep.
Well, it'll still just go right to there. That's why that hose down there is wet.
Yep.
When you take that filter off, it leaks, seeps out of this hole right here. Should have a hose.
Yeah, you'd think it would have, wouldn't you?
Well, yeah, I seen there's a big scratch right here, but that's no problem. It can be fixed. Yeah, it's fixable.
Yeah, that's it.
Over here,
Little things
the
come off
paint,
of it. That's
Yeah.
no big deal.
no big deal at all. Kind of a bittersweet moment, cause I ain't gonna be using this car anymore. Well, actually, I had to be using this car for the next week because I have no insurance or tags on my new truck. But I'll have to deal with driving this car anymore. Thankfully, it's a piece of junk. It really is. That's a newer model. I need to get a new battery for the key fob. So we just got back home from Holden Depot. It's been a couple days since then. However, I had to get a battery for my key fob because the battery is dead. It wasn't working. And so one of these batteries costed me $7.53 for one of them. That is expensive. We're going to try out the key fob. See what it does.
That locks it.
Locks it.
Where did that at?
I don't know.
It's locked it.
It was already locked.
Okay, locked it. Twice unlocks it.
Yeah, once is locked. Now hold it down. Hold it down.
1, 2, 3. 3 don't do nothing.
Yeah, 3 don't. You hold it down to start it. Can you shut it off by holding it down again? Probably not, but try it. You can. You hold it down again to shut it off.
Let's say 1. Then hold it down.
One and holding it down.
No, it won't do nothing.
It won't do nothing. So you press it once to lock it, press it twice to unlock it,
That unlocks.
and then you hold it down to start it, and then you hold it down again to stop the motor. That is a nice truck. Watch straight off. You put the windshield wipers on. He just made them even faster. So we completely cleaned the interior of the truck. However, the outside needs to be washed completely. It's a little dirty, as you can tell by the wheel, but I mean, it's not in bad condition. It would look brand new if it's been washed. Now I want to see. Yeah, he don't know if you can see that. It's kind of dark in here, but he got all the stains out. So with a rag and soapy water. Man, I can't wait to see what those rails look like when they're completely washed off and has no mud completely on them. The only reason why it has mud is because it's been raining today. If it didn't, if it wasn't really raining fast a couple days, then it wouldn't be that muddy. Especially this tire. That is muddy right there and right there. So we put this truck under the carport in place of my car because I wanted to keep it clean, even though we're gonna have to wash it. So we're gonna wash it. This truck's looking good so far. Look, everything's flooding. It's been a really rainy day today. It's all been flooding around. That's why I'm wearing my boots. They're actually my work boots though, because I don't own a pair of rain boots. Last time I owned a pair of rain boots was like 5 years ago. Here at Tractor Supply. So we took out the screwdriver and the correct Phillips head.
Somebody took them out.
Some bad bulbs on the license plate lights. So we went to Tractor Supply and put them in, and now they work right, perfectly. You already getting ready? No? Well, it might fit behind the seat. I haven't tried it behind the seat, but I know it won't fit under the seat. Okay, so this truck has a huge bed on it. It's a short bed with these this Toyota Tacoma. However, it's still a good, plenty enough room for to haul anything. It probably wouldn't haul no 8-foot pieces of wood, but it would haul like a good 4x4.
It'll haul the motorbike.
Yeah, it can haul the bicycle, it can haul the gas tanks, it can even haul the go-kart. Yeah, I'm pretty sure the go-kart could fit in here. So,
Maybe.
yeah, I might do some measurements. But this thing is tall, especially whenever you're standing on it. So the gas for this thing, I thought it would be more expensive than it was actually. So it actually, on empty, filling it up completely was actually $37, which is really good because I thought it was actually going to be somewhere around $50 to $100. But for a mid-sized truck, I guess that's perfectly fine. So this is a trail or towing package on the truck, which actually I didn't know. But it comes with this mud guard on the top across the vehicle. So if there's any mud, it won't go straight onto the windshield or the top of the truck itself, the hood. But I won't be taking this off-roading. So if y'all guys haven't heard, I have created some new merch for the BurksWorks YouTube channel. So if y'all want to support me financially for my future projects, or if you just want to wear some really dope, awesome drip, that's what the new kids say it. I'm too old because I'm not with the trend. But if you just want to help me out, just wear around the brand, I have plenty of options to choose from. Hoodies, to t-shirts, to stickers, and to jackets, even jackets. This is kind of the beta phase of the website because I have not put all the designs I want to on. If y'all want to check that out, go ahead and click the link in the comments and the description. So this, so I do want to apologize if this video seemed a little all over the place, but I had fun making it. Subscribe to the BurksWorks YouTube channel and like this video. So I'll see y'all in the next video.